Alright, just a quick video. I finally got my CPU and my SSD. So I ended up with this one, and they had a free SD card with, I think, the CPU. So now I'm able to put this on. I did order this from Amazon, but they never sent it, so I got those taken off the order. And I went ahead and got these from Newegg. It was the same price. And the other SSD I had on the Amazon was like a 4 something. This is a 512 gig. So I just went with this one. It's Gen 3 4. You can see that there. And let's see, this one has a 5-year warranty if I remember. Let me see, give me a second. Let me read this. There you go, 5-year warranty. So that's nice. Hope you can see that right there. And this one is also made in Taiwan. So that's nice. And let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. Now I don't have the cooler for it yet because I'm still waiting on the Amazon order to ship with the memory. So I need those two in order to get this installed. But my camera unfortunately is not charged, so I can't do the overhead while I'm doing this. So I'll see if I can do something about it. At least a quick video here. Just a quick note. You can see this is a brand new Seal CPU, and it's right there. 55. So I can get the number. That's what the number is. 12600K. And this does have the built-in Intel graphics, I believe, and it is a 12 gen LGA 1700, which is the same thing here. LGA, I know it's upside down, so you can use 1700X or 1800X. So here is a CPU, kind of nice and hefty. It's too bad that they no longer include the CPU fans. I mean, yeah, I know you can get different types, but I always gotten the ones with the fans on, so you can just get it all done. But it is what it is, so let me get this on there. So let me show you something. The arrow on this one is right here. It's kind of faded. It's hard to see, but it's right here. Now I went ahead and you basically take this one off and then lift this one up. And I was looking for the arrow here, but it's not on the bottom here. It's actually on here, on the actual cover. So just so you know where that is. So let me get it on there. Just the way it is right now. Okay, so the arrow is going that way. And that's what the bottom looks like. Very, very... See, if you look at this corner and the bottom corner, that's kind of the same. So that's why we want to look at the top one there. Just don't want to get this upside down, obviously, or install wrong. So if you look at it, this one is kind of cut and that one. So that's what matches those two corners. Right there, this corner matches this corner, or this corner, and then that corner matches that corner. Just something a little extra to watch out for, or to look. Alright, so carefully, we're gonna put it in there. And it has this grooves on there as well, but on the motherboard right now it's upside down. So okay, there's the tiny arrow on the corner, or the golden arrow, just like here, and there's the arrow on there. So can you put it the other way around? because of the grooves. Let's see. I'm not gonna close it. I'm just gonna test it. Just want to make sure. So it should not fit because now the openings are on the opposite side. So it doesn't, as you can see, maybe right there. So it's not gonna work because it doesn't fit. So let's do that again. And okay. So it only goes one way. I just want to show you that. Kind of hard to do one hand, but that's what it is. Yep. So it does have its own only one way of doing it. It's metal, or yep. I don't know. It's not rubber. So that's interesting. So the only thing that holds the CPU are those tabs on here. So it holds it down. Kind of weird. Yeah, it's nice and loosey goosey, but that's how it is. So, and then from here it pushes it down. Yeah, that doesn't feel that great, but that's what those 12 gen look like. So we got the CPU in. Now I have to get this out, which shouldn't be too bad because that one is going into number one right here. But I just want to get this part on video. So let me turn it so we can see it right side up. And there we go. That's a good shot right there. Alright, so far so good. I got the right CPU. I don't know about the color. I just got the lowest profile color because there's not a lot of height on that case to put like a really big one or a tall one. So let me move on here. Alright, so far so good. Team group is in, fits perfectly. As you can see, the screws were already on the motherboard, so that one's done. I only have one here because I just need it for the OS on the NAS, which is nice because now I got something on the motherboard itself, and my SATA ports are free for the 8 drives on the on the other side for the NAS. So far we're doing good. Now I just gotta wait for the cooler, and I only got a 32 gigs of RAM. This is a laptop RAM, so I kind of like that it's a laptop RAM because it's also laying this way, so it gives me more room here versus the tall regular size or longer memory DIMMs. But slowly but surely, just taking forever to get the parts, but there you go. So far so good.